If you sell each of those 10 pairs at $320, that will be a $1,800 profit. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, we're going to be going over one of the most important drops of this month, possibly even this year. You know what I'm saying? The Jordan 1 Mochas that are going to be coming out this Halloween, October 31st. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video so you don't miss a single section. And also, one of my boys on Instagram has started a Discord, you know what I'm saying? So if you do want to find a free Discord that does provide you with a bunch of information, go to his Instagram, exclusive.io_. But make sure you guys go check his Discord out, you know what I'm saying? And get some nice little information in that boy. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below saying Travis's or Mochas, you feel me? Because I'm kind of leaning more towards the Mochas. I'm gonna let y'all know why in this video, so make sure you guys do stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, to start it off, these shoes are gonna be retailing at $170 US for men's pairs, and then they're gonna be retailing for $130 for the GS sizes. Now, I've been hearing a lot of rumors about the stock numbers on these shoes, you know what I'm saying? I've been hearing 150,000. I even heard 1.5 million from somewhere. I know that's not anywhere close to the truth. I do think 150,000 could be more accurate, but even if we do get 150,000 pairs released to the market, I don't think that could be a factor in these shoes just bricking, you know what I'm saying? I don't think these shoes are gonna brick at all. In my opinion, I think these shoes are gonna skyrocket, but we're gonna go over that later in the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think these shoes are gonna be bricks, or do you think these are gonna go up in the future? Now, I've also been seeing a lot of people talk about this shoe, you know what I'm saying? I've been seeing a lot of good feedback from the general public on this shoe. You know what I mean? I've been seeing some people saying they take these over the Travis's. So when you start to see that, you know this shoe does have potential to, you know what I'm saying, like do something real good in the future. The prices could potentially skyrocket just because of that. People are loving these shoes. There's a lot of hype surrounding these shoes. And they're kind of low key, like they're kind of like some low key bangers. You know how the Obsidians were when they first dropped? Like when the Obsidians first dropped, bro, they were going for retail for the first, well, not retail, but like just a little bit over retail, $230, $240 for the first 2 to 3 months, and then after that, prices just took off. I'm gonna pull up a picture right here. Now, the Obsidians are currently sitting at $500 like average per pair for men's sizes, and around a $500 average for grade school sizes as well. Now, I've also been seeing a lot of polls on these shoes, comparing them to the Travis's, and I'll pull up some results right here. A lot of people are voting these over the Travis's, you know what I'm saying? These shoes, I've seen some in-person reviews, I've seen some in-hand reviews, even some of my friends got their hands on them, and I've seen some pictures, some close-up pictures. The details on these shoes is nice, you feel me? And that black toe box, like the color blocking on this shoe, is so simple, but it's so clean, right? You know what I'm saying? When you see a black toe on a shoe, they usually always go for money, guys. You know what I'm saying? You can look at the black toe ones, you can look at the blue moons, and you can also look at the track red Air Jordan 1s, because these all have the same color blocking. And also on the blue moons and the track reds, they also have kind of like the same, basically the same just colorway. You know what I'm saying? The back is like a suede, the top part of the toe is black. It's basically the same thing, and if you look at the prices on those, they're going for some bread. Now, I do see these shoes reselling anywhere from $350 US to $400 plus in the future, long term, if you do end up holding these. But right off rip, like right after the drop, these could possibly be going for around $250 to $300 after the drop. That's where I see them after the drop, $250 to $300. But if you do continue to hold these, I do see them 400 plus, you know what I mean? Just like Obsidians are going for around 500. It did take a little minute for these to pick up, but as you guys know, at the moment, Air Jordan 1s in particular are hype right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Even the lows, you know what I'm saying? People wasn't even going for lows back in the day. Now lows are hype. Mids are kind of picking up a little bit, but Air Jordan 1s are where it's at right now. That's where the money is at. I'm telling you guys, these will go up. And like I said earlier in the video, guys, grade school sizes are going for 130. And men's sizes are gonna be going for 170. Now, in my opinion, I do think it is gonna be the smartest move to go for the grade school sizes over the men's sizes, because those do have the greater margin in profit when trying to sell these shoes. You feel me? Because if you get these shoes for 130 and they're going for the same price, just if we compare them to the Obsidians are going for 500 in both grade school and men's sizes. You can get the grade school sizes for 120 back then and the men's for 160. If you look at that profit margin, that's the grade school sizes beat the men every time, bro. So that's how I'm looking at it for this shoe drop. I'm gonna go for the grade school sizes. I'm gonna focus primarily on grade school, and then I'm gonna go for men's last, because those are gonna be cutting into the profits a little bit more. Now, that $40 difference in price can extremely increase the amount of return that you can get back when selling these shoes. You know what I'm saying? That begins to stack up, you know what I'm saying? 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, depending on how much pairs you get, that can make a complete difference in how much money you make back. Now, I have done some breakdowns on the amount of profit that you can make off of buying these shoes. You know what I'm saying? I calculated on how much pairs you buy and how much you can sell them for. So I added $10 on the purchase price, which is $170. So I said $180, just, you know what I'm saying, trying to calculate a little taxes in. So if you do buy 5 pairs of these shoes at $180, that is gonna be roughly $900, depending on your tax for your state. Now, if you do end up selling those 5 pairs for $300 each, that will be a $600 profit that you can make. That's just off of 5 pairs, you feel me? Now, if you sell each of those 5 pairs at $320, then that would be a $700 profit. So, you know what I'm saying? If you just keep scaling in, you're gonna keep making more profit off of these shoes. Now, I calculated the grade school sizes because those are the sizes that I'm gonna be focusing on, like I said earlier in the video. So if you buy 5 pairs of grade school sizes at $140, I added $10 tax in, that will be $700. Now, if you sell those 5 pairs for $300, you'll get $1,500, which will be a $800 profit. Now, if you sell those 5 pairs at $320, you get $1,600, which will be a $900 profit. Now, I calculated in 7 pairs, so I bought 7 pairs at $140. That will be $980 to purchase all 7 pairs. Now, if you do sell all 7 pairs at $300, that will be an $1,120 profit. Now, if you sell each of those 7 pairs at $320, that will be a $1,260 profit. Now, I think I went all the way up to 10 pairs because I'm gonna try to get 10. So if you get 10 pairs, that is gonna be a $1,400 purchase that you are gonna have to make if you do go for the grade school sizes. But if you sell each of those 10 pairs at $300, now I'm talking about those pairs going for $300 to $400 plus. So if you do hold these pairs and they get to obsidian price $500, you can potentially make more. But I'm just talking, you know what I'm saying, short term, depends on what you're doing. But if you do sell each of those 10 pairs at $300, that will be a $1,600 profit. Just, you know what I'm saying, nice little quick flip. If you sell each of those 10 pairs at $320, that will be a $1,800 profit. Now, all of those profits aren't calculated with taxes, so don't be in the comments talking about that's not how much you're really gonna make because you didn't calculate taxes in. I know I didn't calculate taxes in. I just kind of rounded the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? So it just depends on your state, your taxes, because I know each state does have a different set of tax. But yeah, guys, that's how much money you possibly can make off of these shoes. I hope this video did kind of help you out. And let me know down in the comment section saying, do you want more videos like this in the future? Because I actually enjoy making this video, you know what I'm saying? I enjoy making all my videos, but I like breaking stuff down too. You feel me? Now, it's been your boy, and I'm out.